Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by creating the file and reducing friction. Open Word and choose either the required template or a blank document. Once set margins, font, and spacing to meet your instructor's rules so you don't reformat later. Save right away with a descriptive file name and turn on auto-save or manual versioning. Doing this first prevents lost work and saves time. Make sure to confirm page layout and document properties before you write a word. You now focus on writing and structured formatting. Start with headings and apply styles so your document stays consistent, and use outline view to check flow. Once done with text, insert citations or footnotes using Word's reference tools and add a running header or page numbers to match submission rules. If you collaborate, enable track changes and add comments for feedback. This approach keeps the document organized and editable, so reviewers can follow your logic and you can adjust formatting quickly. You finish by cleaning and exporting. Run read aloud and spelling and grammar, then fix issues while reading aloud to catch tone. Once satisfied, export to PDF to preserve formatting, check document properties and file size, and confirm the file name matches submission instructions. Make the upload to your LMS or send via email and keep a dated backup copy. If something goes wrong, try reopening Word in safe mode to recover auto-save versions or restore from the temporary files folder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.